Weird. Santos, did you make that sound?
No!
Oh my goodness. Well, Daddy's got to get washing these dishes, okay?
What happened?
I don't know. But Daddy's got to wash dishes, okay? Why don't you go help out Mommy, okay? Went away again. Kayla, are you making all that noise?
No, not me.
Huh. You heard that though, right?
You sure it's not Santos?
I don't think he's doing it. Weird. Weird. I'm gonna keep washing these dishes though.
Okay.
Santos, you wanna play? Come on, grab it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that bit of silliness in my kitchen with my son. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link a bunch of backbeat videos for you to play along to with all of the found sounds that you found around your house. Cool? So, now, pull in members of your family. Get everybody moving, okay? All right? I even pulled in my son, and he don't have rhythm yet. He'll get there. He just doesn't have it yet. But anyway, I hope you had fun. I hope you will have fun with this one, with your family, and tell them Mr. T said they have to do it. And anyway, Mr. T, out.